Hi guys, welcome to my channel Selenium Tech Automation. In this video, I am going to show you what are the different types of navigation commands which are offering by Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so these navigation commands in Selenium WebDriver will enable us the browser to move forward and backward in the browser history. For example, if I am currently open my google.com application, if I want to navigate from this site to any other sites like Facebook or Amazon or Flipkart or any kind of websites, so we are going to use these navigations. At the same time, if I want to come back to my the first website that is called as google.com from Facebook application or some Flipkart or Amazon, means we are going to use some navigation commands. Okay, so there are few navigation commands which are offering by the Selenium WebDriver. So the first navigation command here is navigate.to method. Okay, the first command here is navigate.to command. So what it will do, this navigate.to command means for loading a new page. Okay, this navigate to command, what it will do for loading a web page in the current browser window. Okay, for loading a web page in the current browser window, at the same time this command is used to navigate from first application to your second application. Okay, see, if I am using navigate.to command, means if I want to navigate from this google.com website to the next website that is called as Amazon or Flipkart, means we can use this navigate.to command. Okay, followed by one URL we need to mention where exactly you want to navigate. We have to mention that URL inside as a parameter for that particular navigate.to command. Okay, navigate.to method. So again, back command is also there. So if I want to come back from that particular new window that is called as Facebook page or Flipkart or Amazon, so if I want to navigate back to my home page, that is first window, or it is google.com site, means we can use one command that is called as back command. So what does this will do, means this command will allows you to click on the back button. Okay, actually this back command, what it will do, it will allows you, okay, it will allows you to click on the back button in the current browser window. Okay, it won't return anything, and also it is not going to accept anything as well. Okay, it neither accepts anything nor returns anything. It will just do some navigate to back command only, means it will just do some backward operations only. So then coming to the next command that is called as forward command. So this command, what it will do, it will, okay, it will allows the browser to click on the forward button in the current browser window, and also it is also not accepting anything, and also it is also not returning anything. Okay, it will takes as forward by one page on the browser history, and which can be written as, the syntax here is driver.navigate.to forward. Okay, driver.navigate.forward. So if I want to refresh, okay, if I want to refresh my current browser window web page, means we can use one command that is called as navigate.refresh command. Okay, for refreshing or reloading the current web page in the existing browser window, this refresh commands will be helpful. Okay, and also it is also like the same, it is also not accepting anything, at the same time it is also not returning anything. The syntax here is driver.navigate.refresh. Okay, so these are all the four navigation commands we have under under our navigation commands, okay, inside our Selenium. Okay, the first command here is what, navigate.to method, and the second command here is back command, that is called as navigate.back method. At the same time forward command is also there, that is called as navigate.forward. And also if you want to refresh my current browser window web page, means we can use this refresh command as well. So now let me show you one by one here how we can navigate to some different websites. Okay, so let me create one more line here. So you can see from till yesterday we have looked into till driver.close method. So now I am going to remove this one. Okay, so because I want to continue with the navigation commands, right? Okay, so here with the same line. Okay, so how we can write syntax, driver.navigate, here you can see driver.navigate.to. so this is our new web page where I want to exactly navigate from this window to the new window. So for that we have to mention our new URL where you want to navigate from current window to the next window. Okay, current web page to the new web page. So I want to navigate to Amazon .com. Okay, amazon.com I want to navigate. So how we can navigate, we will see. Okay, with the help of driver.navigate.to we can easily navigate from google.com site to new web page that is called as amazon.com. This is a syntax for navigating between two pages. Okay, so then what is our next one? As we discussed, our next command here is back command. So what does this back command will do means, okay, what does this back command will do? It will navigate, or else it will click on the backward button. Okay, if you want to navigate back means from amazon.com to google.com means it will give you one clicking on the backward button. Okay, with the help of driver dot navigate dot back. Okay, the syntax for here is driver dot navigate dot back. Okay, if I use this syntax here, again what it will do, currently my window on this page that is called as amazon.com, after using this navigate.back command means it will again take me back to the google.com site only. Okay, that is the purpose of navigate.back. It is simply called as, it is click on the backward button. Okay, simply call it as it will click on the backward button. So at the same time forward command is also there. So what does this command will do? It will allows the browser to click on the forward button in the current browser window. Okay, it will click on the, okay, it will click, this forward command will allow us to click on the forward button in the current browser window. It neither accepts anything nor return anything. Okay, it is not accepting anything, at the same time it is also not returning anything. So what is the syntax here? Okay, for forward command, what is the syntax? Driver dot, okay, driver dot navigate dot forward. Okay, see here you can see move a single item forward in the browser history. Okay, so this is a syntax forward. Okay, this is a syntax for forward method. So now as we discussed, there is one more command that is called as refresh command. So what does this method will do here means, it will refresh or it will reload the current web page in the existing browser window. Okay, for that purpose only we are using this refresh command here. What is the syntax here? Driver dot, okay, driver dot navigate dot refresh. Okay, this is my syntax. Okay, so now let me add all the commented lines here. So this method is for which one? This method is for, this method is for which one? This method is for navigate dot back. Okay, this method is for backward. Okay, this method is for backward method. Okay, this method is for backward. And also if you have any queries, okay, please let me know from the comment section guys. So please do a help for us to grow our channel in a better way. Okay, so this is for navigating. Okay, navigate to new page. The first command here is navigate to new web page. Okay, new web page. And the next one here is navigate back to first web page. Okay, and then our last, say, third method here is forward. Okay, forward method, forward method. And the last one here is which one? Refresh, which will reload or refresh your current web page. Reload or refresh current web page. Okay, current web page. So now what I am doing here, currently I am from google.com to, I am navigating from google.com to the new window or new web page that is called as amazon.com. So once it is done, again I am navigating back to my google.com site. Once that is done, if there is any forward button enabled, I am going to click on this forward button. Okay, after that I am going to refreshing the current web page only, that is called as google.com. So first let me execute this command and we will see. It will launch two applications now. Okay, it is first it will launch google.com site. Okay, it launched the google.com. After that it is getting the page source. You can see it is navigating to amazon and it is navigating to google, again it is navigating to amazon. Okay, So that is how these commands will work here. So now let me add here some thread dot sleeps for your understanding. Okay, now let me add some thread dot sleep here. Okay, thread dot sleep of 5 seconds I can use here. Let me add, okay, throws declaration. So I am adding for navigating to back as well. Okay, once I'm in Amazon, I want to go back to my Google application. So once this is also done, again I am going back to my Amazon application. Okay, thread dot sleep of 5 seconds, 5000 milliseconds, which means 5 seconds only. So once that is done, I want to refresh my Amazon application. Okay, Amazon web page, that is thread dot sleep. So with the help of 5000 seconds. So these and all why I have added means for your understanding only. After refreshing, I am going to close my current browser with the help of which one? With the help of driver dot close. Okay, so now let me execute and let me close this one. And also I am going to use here one maximize command here. So how we can do? Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize, right? Driver dot, okay, this is the command to maximize our current browser window. Okay, so now let me execute. Okay, so now it started executing and it is going to launch our Edge browser. After launching google.com site, it will open. Once it launched google.com site, it is going to navigate. Then it is waiting for 5 seconds. Okay, here we can see Amazon, it went. Once that is also done, it will go back to the our google.com site. Now again going forward to Amazon page, then it will refresh here. Okay, so this is how, see here it is refreshed already. So this is how we can use these navigation commands inside our Selenium. So now you can see it got closed as well, the browser also it got closed. Okay, and also here we are taking our get title, printing our get title of the current web page, and also we are taking our get current URL for the current web page, and also we are taking the page source as well. And now we will see in our console output whether it is printing all the details or not. Okay, don't bother about these errors. Okay, so let me go back to here and we will see. Okay, not an issue, it is working as expected only. Because of this page source code, it is not displaying whether it is printing or not. Okay, so this is how we can use these browser navigation commands inside our Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so please drop a like if you like this video, and also please subscribe to my channel Selenium Tech Automation if you are new to here. Okay, thank you so much guys, we will connect with our upcoming videos. Okay, thank you.